Hello! This is the last day of our trip and we are simply packing and leaving the accommodation to go catch our buses. Faut qu'on trouve une poubelle aussi. C'est le charmant bruit de fond de ta valise. On est samedi. Tiens, il y a du PQ là même. Son appareil photo, moi en passant derrière, j'ai un écran quand même. La grosse boîte, là c'est un appareil moderne dedans. My mom's bus is around noon and she's going back to the south of France. Alright, so now mom is in her bus. My bus is at 2 p.m. and I am going back to the north of France. This bus is my first bus. We will drive all afternoon and all night, and we will arrive in Paris around 6 in the morning. And now I'm in the second bus. We are leaving Paris and going to Rennes. I really enjoyed discovering the city of Genoa with my mom, and I hope that you enjoyed watching this series of videos too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next videos. Bye!